Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to place three divs next to each other using Bootstrap. So right now, as you notice, I have this div here and it just this title. So right underneath that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create another div. Alright, so I'm going to create another div and I'll add a class name there. So let me zoom in so you can see it better. So I'll add this class name called row. Alright, so it will be the row, and it means that we have one row here. So think about it, that we have one row here. So now we want to have three divs. So I'll add three more divs. So here's one div, alright, and I'll add a class name here, an empty class name. So I'll keep it like that, and I'm gonna simply copy and paste it. Alright, so we have three divs inside of this row, and I'm gonna just place it like that. And now I'm gonna simply add some content here. So in the first one I'm gonna add div1. Alright, so that's div1, and this one will be div2, and this one will be div3. So div. Okay, so I have my three divs here, and if you take a look at them now, you notice that just one column. So if you think about it, just one column, that's why they are stacked. So I want them to be next to each other. So to do that, what you could do is that you could add the word col there. Alright, so col to all of them. Alright, so class col to all of them, and now you'll notice that there'll be simply three divs. Alright, so there are three divs and they are next to each other. So now let me add another class here. So col space, let me change this to primary. So just let me change the background colors of them real quick. So bg dash secondary. Alright, and this one I think I'll just add the bg dash info. So you see I have three divs and they are next to each other. Alright, so they are next to each other perfectly. So now what if you want to have more space in the middle than the one to the left and to the right? Well, to do that, let's think about this one as if you are on 0, so this way. So this edge of the browser is 0 and this edge to the right is 12. Alright, so if you add number 12, so for example, if I add col-12, so col-12 to the first one, you'll notice that it will take the full width. So you see it has taken the full width. But now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to simply divide 12 by 3 because I have three columns. So 12 divided by 3 is number 4. So this one will be col-4, alright? And this one also will be col-4, and this one, all of them are col-4. So they are equal now. But what if I want to have more space in the middle? Well, if I increase this number, so for example the one in the middle, if I change it to number 6, it takes more space. So you'll have to reduce that number from this one and from this one. So you see I can make this one 3 and 3, alright? So you see I have taken that number from those ones. So that's why you see now I have more space in the middle and the other ones are smaller. So now I have more space. So the total of the numbers that we have are 12. But what if I want to make this one even bigger? Well, I can do that basically by taking out a number from here. So for example, I'm going to take number 1 here. So this one will be number 2 and this one will be number 7. So the total number here is 12, but this one, you see, it's smaller because this one is 2 and this one is 7 and this one is 3. Alright everyone, so if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye bye.